We all know ADT, but what the heck is Blue by ADT? We're going to answer that question and let you know how Blue stacks up in our main comparison areas: upfront cost, tech and equipment, monthly monitoring fees, and contracts. But before we get into Blue, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to make sure you catch all of our security tips and reviews posted twice a week. If you want to see how Blue compares to the big names in the business like its older sibling ADT, go to Safewise.com for our full list of the best home security systems out there. And don't worry, you don't need to remember all of that. It's linked in the description box below. So what the heck is Blue by ADT? That's a good question. In my opinion, Blue is ADT's most 21st century move yet, and we're into the second decade already. We got a sneak peek at CES, and we're happy to say this isn't the only updated upgrade ADT revealed. Check back for a closer look at all of ADT's snazzy new equipment in a new video we're putting together right now. Blue is ADT's answer to popular security systems like SimpliSafe, Ring, and even FrontPoint. ADT's been burned by its stubborn attachment to outmoded home security practices like long contracts, high-pressure sales, and professional installation. Blue is ADT's chance to meet current customer preferences and stay competitive. But is it any good? Let's find out. Blue by ADT is right in line with other DIY home security systems on the market when it comes to how much you'll pay out the door. You can pick from pre-configured equipment packages that range from around $200 on up to $350. Or you can build your own custom package starting from right around $110. Those prices are competitive with SimpliSafe, Ring, and Google Nest. But like all of those systems, you need to buy your Blue by ADT equipment outright. That can make it harder to get into a security system, but if you can come up with a few hundred up front, that could be the last dime you ever spend on your home security system. Blue doesn't require you to sign up for professional monitoring. That means you can get a reliable home security system for nothing more than the cost of equipment. Blue isn't breaking any new ground when it comes to equipment. In fact, ADT acquired DIY home security brand LifeShield, and most of Blue's offerings are rebranded LifeShield equipment. That means it's not very pretty. The cameras might be the ugliest I've seen, but it comes at a good price point and it works. I really liked LifeShield's security system. It was one of the easiest ones for me to set up, and everything was just really straightforward. And from what I've seen with Blue, the company is sticking to those tenets: simple and straightforward. You can get everything from door and window sensors to a doorbell camera with your Blue security system. One thing that stands out is all of the security camera options. Most DIY brands have started out with limited or no security cameras, and we think that really curbs your home security capabilities. Blue started out with indoor, outdoor, and doorbell camera options, so being part of ADT apparently has its perks. Blue is also one of the only security companies that lets you buy a standalone security camera system. So if you don't care about a base station, a motion sensor, or having door and window sensors, Blue has an outdoor security camera kit that includes 2 cameras, a Wi-Fi extender so that your network's gonna reach wherever you place your cameras, and a chime. This kit runs around $450, so it's one of Blue's most expensive options, but it gives you everything you need to keep an eye on the front and back of your home. What I like most about Blue by ADT's equipment is that you can pick it out all by yourself. ADT has always inserted salespeople and security expert technicians into the purchasing process. That gives you some reassurance that your system is exactly what you need based on an expert's opinion, but it puts you in a position where it's easy to be swayed by convincing sales tactics. The result is a lot of folks out there with way more home security than they really need, and a much higher monthly bill. Blue by ADT lets you shop, compare, and buy all on your own. Online shopping is everyone's favorite, right? Or is that just me? You also get mobile app control with every ADT Blue system. So for no extra fees, the Blue by ADT app lets you remotely arm and disarm, stream live video, save clips in a media archive, get push notifications if a sensor or a camera is triggered. You can use two-way talk if you have compatible equipment, control all your smart home devices, and keep tabs on your neighborhood with an area crime map. It's pretty robust. This is where Blue shatters the ADT model. There are no contracts. You can self-monitor your home security system through the app or add 24/7 professional monitoring on a month-to-month basis. Blue lets you stop and start monitoring at will and never tax on extra fees or penalties when you cancel. We always recommend pro monitoring because it is the most proactive way to protect your home and loved ones. You get a trained professional keeping tabs on your home 24/7. There's a direct link to help if something bad happens. And with Blue, you get to take full advantage of ADT's 9 monitoring centers. That means even a natural disaster like a hurricane can't take down your 24/7 monitoring coverage. Here's where Blue really doubles down when it comes to that straightforward thing I was talking about earlier. There is only one professional monitoring plan. There are no tiers that hold things like the mobile app, smart home control, or live video streaming hostage, all in a bid to squeeze more moolah out of you every month. With Blue, you get the whole shebang for a flat rate of around $20 a month. That's double what you'll pay for Ring's $10 a month pro monitoring, but it's a whole lot less than brands like FrontPoint, SimpliSafe, and big sibling ADT. You could pay more than twice as much to get the same exact service that Blue offers you for $20. We're pretty excited about Blue by ADT and hope that parent company ADT stays committed to all of the customer-focused policies and practices that are currently in place. Here's a quick recap. Blue by ADT requires an upfront investment, but it's in line with every other DIY security system out there. Blue's tech and equipment were mostly inherited from LifeShield, so it's not sexy, but it gets the job done. There are no contracts or cancellation fees with Blue, and monthly monitoring that includes everything you want from a security system is a flat $20 a month. Best of all, you get all of this and ADT's burglar-stopping name and reputation. To get all the details about Blue, check out our full review on Safewise.com. And be sure to stay informed and safe by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. We've got new product reviews, insider safety secrets, and more that's uploaded 2 times every single week. See you next time.